What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to yet another video. Today we're getting into yet another Savannah Dexter reaction. Just dropped this new single last evening, I believe. It's called I Don't Open Up. It's been a while since we've done a Savannah Dexter reaction. I think she's dropped, what, 2 new ones since I have done her last one. I've been slacking off a little bit getting to her, but hey, this girl has been shining. This girl has been doing her thing, making her dream come true. She's still blowing up. She had like 100,000 views in just one day, which is insane to think about. But yeah, I'm excited to get into it. So without further ado, if you enjoy, be sure to like, subscribe, comment, and let's check it on out. Savannah Dexter, I Don't Open Up.
Do you remember Savannah from high school?
Dexter?
Yeah.
Girl, your best friend?
Right, best friend. Look at her page. Look at how she went from like 1,200 followers like last month to 78,000. And
she blew up.
music, her rap. Have you heard it?
No, girl.
Literally nails on chalkboard.
Ooh.
Okay, like.
Okay. And these were supposed to be her friends? Yeah. Such friends, right? Yeah, bunch of pricks.
Okay, like you couldn't pay me to listen to that, honestly.
How? I don't even remember.
But yeah, those are the type of girls that will meet her face to face and want all her clout, want to be totally friends with her, want to go everywhere. That's how people are. It's disgusting.
How? I don't even remember her rapping. When did she start?
I don't know, but you see how she's coming up and she forgot all about us? Like, we're nothing, and we wrote for her when she was nothing.
Oh yeah, but you're talking all kinds of shit.
For that girl.
I literally can't even. I gotta go, girl.
Uh-oh. Oh, shit. This is gonna be weird.
What happens in the dark always comes to light. The ones that do you wrong think they always right.
Damn.
Jealousy and envy brought a lot of spite. I guess that's why we always fight. I thought we was close, so why do you have to do me wrong? Gave me the cold shoulder, we no longer get along. I ain't even stressing, I do better on my own. You got the nerve to question why you all up in this song. I give you my love, you put daggers in my back. While giving you a hug, ain't no coming back from that. This ain't how it is, and that ain't how it was. It's too broken to fix, that's why I don't open up. I don't open up. I don't understand our relationship. No.
God dang, this song is going hard. Whoa, okay. It was a slow start, but this is going nuts. First of all, I feel bad for this girl literally being like saran wrapped to this table for this whole video. She apparently took that like a champ. But I'm getting the vibe of this video. Like, you know, what goes around comes around, something like that. You know, don't treat others like shit and expect them to treat you nice back. That's what I'm getting, and this is bad.
I don't understand our relationship. Knew that you were two-faced, and one day I'd be faced with this. Trusting you has got my heart locked inside this cage again. Loving you's a mistake that I don't wanna make again. Start a fire just to fight it, that's what liars do. Your only attribute is how you hide the truth. Told our friends they had to choose. They ain't wanna side with you. You always play the victim, bitch. There's something wrong inside of you. We was close, so why do you have to do?
The only attribute you have is to hide the truth. Oh my lord, dude, she is. Sorry, if my webcam is moving, guys, I apologize. It's on this separate thing I have here, and I swear I keep seeing it moving back and forth. I do apologize about that. But she's killing it. Like, this beat, she can murder it. She's showing it. I'm glad this song isn't short, especially with that intro. But she has so come into her own. It's not even funny.
We was close, so why do you have to do me wrong? Gave me the cold shoulder, we no longer get along. I ain't even stressing, I do better on my own. You got the nerve to question why you all up in this song. I gave you my love, you put daggers in my back. While giving you a hug,
She straight up killed her.
This ain't how it is, and that ain't how it was. It's too broken to fix, that's why I don't open up. I don't open up. Peace, I tried to let the problems go, but the beast inside me wants all the smoke. You took my kindness for weakness. I saw the signs, but I was blinded by your lies and your secrets. Quit looking at me like I am to blame. I'm the one you left in the dark. You gave me hell, I stood in the flames. All I got left is a shell of a heart. We fell apart, the knife in my back left a hell of a mark. Hell of a scar, hell of a guard. Fuck you forever, wherever you are. I thought we was cool, so why do you have to do me wrong? Gave me the
This video is so, this song is so much different than what I thought. By the title, I Don't Open Up, I thought this was going to be about a relationship. This took a whole different turn. It was a very good surprise, I think, but don't mess with Savannah, yo. Don't play with her. She's cray cray.
do me wrong. Gave me the cold shoulder, we no longer get along. I ain't even stressing, I do better on my own. You got the nerve to question why you all up in this song. I give you my love, you put daggers in my back. While giving you a hug, ain't no coming back from that. This ain't how it is, and that ain't how it was. It's too broken to fix, that's why I don't open up. I don't open up. I don't open up. This ain't how it is, and that ain't how it was. It's too broken to fix, that's why I don't open up. I don't open up.
Okay. Alrighty, Miss Savannah. I completely understand what the boat was for now. I completely understand what those black bags were and why she was dumping them in the ocean. That took me a minute to catch on, but once I realized it, you see my jaw drop. That's a little messed up, Savannah. Little messed up, but dope. Woo. All right, y'all. I don't really know what to think about that one. That one was completely unexpected. I guess I could put it that way. Like I said, I expected it to be something about a relationship, especially with Savannah. It's kind of known to do those kind of songs, but this song slapped. If it wasn't for this beat and her going so hard on the beat, I don't know. I definitely enjoyed it, but it wasn't. I don't know. I don't want to say it wasn't her best, but because I did enjoy it, I thoroughly did. But you know, I guess the video just threw me off. Nothing wrong with it, but I don't know. I guess I'm just a little weird today. I don't know. Anyway, I definitely enjoyed it. Be sure to support Savannah all you can. Help her blow up. She is doing incredible. She's very successful, and I'm so happy for her, you know, for what she has become, what she's overcome, and what she is going to become. Alright. I'm enough. Exactly. Yeah. Alright. Have fun. See ya. Bye. Peace out.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be grinning.